So once you have installed the sales ledger entry, you need to go to the sales ledger entries, and you will see that there's nothing there for the moment. That's because you need to go to populate. But before, if you have a lot of data, you might want to restrict that to a number of, not to do it before a number of a particular date. Here I don't, so I'm not going to do anything there. I'm going to take everything, do update all, and so it will take all the data and populate all the cells. So let's look. You see that on the origin you have what has been invoiced, and if we go to the end, we're going to have things that have not been invoiced yet, but so what we call the pipeline. So it's from quotes and from the backlog, that is sales order that have not been delivered, and there would be ship not invoice if there are some, but there's not. Okay, so let's look here on our this one. So you see these three lines. We're going to navigate. So we come back to the original document, the posted sales invoice that we talked in our previous video on why we do that. So here we had three lines, but one for item, one word resource, and one GL account, and they're all in the sales ledger entries. So that's why after it's easier to analyze. So for example, you can, if we just make something very simple by using standard BC, so just for one date, see, we have these 6 lines, and if you use the standard analysis mode, you could say, well, give me as it is total, let's say, per customer, just per customer, so 4,000, and you have the total that you sold and the margin, the cost of goods sold, and you can say, well, now I don't want by customer, but I prefer to have that by the item that you sold, good, or combination of both of them. So fine, just use a standard. So you can do that. Obviously, after, if you have too much data, that might not be the best way of doing it, but at least you have everything in one table this time. It's easier to analyze. And also, as I said, so this table can be populated for all the documents either manually or automatically when you post a document. So if you take that, it will be automatically populated and it will work in an incremental way, obviously, every time you have one thing populated. And because you can also have the unposted document, in that case you would have to refresh the unposted data either manually, so that where you can see also not only what has been invoiced, but also the backlog, the pipeline, and the ship not invoiced. And if you want to automate that, you could do that every night by setting up a job queue. Run it every night, so even the unposted data would be populated every morning. So, and yeah, that's the concept of the sales ledger entries. Have everything in one table. And if you want to use other reporting tools after, it's easier. So here, one last thing, if I do find entries, you can see the additional sales ledger entries for that particular invoice.